Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 6th. That's the our science. Okay, this is a science and lab activities. Okay, so we are going to see the lab activity here. Okay, our first chapter, food, where does it come from? All right, so actually we already see the question answer for all the subjects, so in description there is link, you can check out from there. Okay, and let's see this one. So the first question is there, multiple choice question, not multiply. Okay, that's a multiple choice question. You can call adjective question or MCQ question. So that's our first question. Given below are the name of some animals. Okay, which of the above animals had a pair of omnivorous, right? So let's see this here. Okay, so actually this sometimes the sound issue is there, so that's why I'm fixing that. So okay, so here you can see this is the solution of that one, and here it is a honeybee makes honey from, this is the some option is given, and which is option, this is a nectar. Okay, now after that you can see the third question. Below are name of the some animals: cow, sheep, horse, ox. Which of the above are the sources of milk for human beings? Okay, so well, let's see the answer of this one. So you can see the answer B, cow and sheep. Okay, and this is why it is important, so it is given answer here. Okay, then fourth question you can see, given below is a list of the edible plants, banana. Okay, that is given here, and this is a solution of that one, banana and pumpkin. Okay, and then after fifth one you can see, the part of a banana plants not used as the food is flower, fruit, stems, roots. Okay, so roots. Okay, read each set of the terms and identify the odd set. Okay, and then after the very short question answer coming from here. Okay, so you can see this is a very short question answer. This is a first, read the clause and fill up the blanks given in the below each of them. Honeybee sources the from the flower, that's a nectar, and this is the some name like nectar, carnivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous. Okay, it is given, right? So then eighth question is that, why do bodies seed fail to sprout? So solution is given. Where does bee store honey? Solution is given. And okay, 10th one, 11th one you can see here. 11th question this is, and this is the answer of 11th one. Okay, so after that here short question answer is given. Here you can see short question answer. This is a 12th question, and this figure is given, and this is a solution here. This is a solution. Okay, right, so let's see this here. Okay, this is also solution. Okay, this is a 13th question, and answer is it. Why should we avoid wastage of food? Solution, we should avoid wastage of food because, and it is given in the points here. Okay, like suffering food is not available. Okay, sufficient food, not suffering food. Okay, why do organisms need food? Right, two reasons. Okay, so this is a 14 question is given, and this is the solution is given here, right? So you can see the 15 question also. Match the organisms given the columns 1 with their parts and product in column 2, that is a using human beings as a food. Okay, then after you can see 16 question you can say, label the color and the different parts of the plant given below in figure 1.2. okay, and this is the level, like first is flower, second is floral bulb, and leaves and stems. And then after long question you can say, this is a long question answer, read the name of the animals written in the inner ring and figure 1.3. so we have to this one, and this is the answer of this one. Okay, and this is the answer of this. Okay, this is the answer of the 17 one answer it is. Okay, right, so you can see the 18 one here. This is a 18 one question. Connect the animals with the food is to arrow using the different colors in the figure 1.1. it is done for you. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer of this one. Okay, this is answer. Here you can see buffalo and this, and that's the 17 one. Okay, so this is our 17 one, which is last. So I hope in this one everything is clear, and this video is ended here only. Whatever in this video, everything is clear. I hope this science lab activity is going to be very helpful for you. And if you are looking for the other subject question answer or solution of this one, so in description there is a link. You can check out the class 6th solution of every subject. You can check out. Okay, so we will meet another video. Jai Hind.